Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. Now, I did post a video like planning out my January 2020 bullet journal, but watching that video back I realised that actually I didn't like it that much, and I thought if I was going to actually stick to this year, I'd get halfway through the year and need another journal. So I decided to completely scrap that one and start again in this book here. Before we start, I just want to make a note. I am filming this at what was that, 4 o'clock, so I have a feeling that the lighting is going to go completely pear-shaped in this, so I apologise already for that, but I'll try and fix it in editing if it does go, so fingers crossed. So yeah, like I was saying, I started this again once I watched the video back, so this is completely different to the last video, but I'm going to flick through everything that's in here. I'm not going to dwell on anything or give a big explanation, I'm literally just going to flick through. This book is from Amazon. It says a stationery island. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if that is the brand, but I will link what I've got below. But I really like this book because it's got really thick pages. I have put a key in this. I'm not too sure whether I actually ever use these, to be honest, but I've got it just in case. Had to do the classic that everyone is doing, like the 1920s theme for 2020. So this is my future log. Ta-da! Nice and simple. Grid spacing, this is something I added in after seeing lots of people do it. 21 before 21, so 21 things I want to do before I'm 20, no not before I'm 21, before 2021. I wish I was 21. This is my 2020 goals. Again, you've probably seen this before, I did not come up with this. I can't remember what the method of this is called, but I've got all my goals here, and as I complete something I colour in a segment, and the goal is to get this filled up. Okay, so this is something I saw, and I cannot remember whose channel I saw this on, but basically this is a want and a need list. So anything that I want that I don't particularly need, but I do still want, I put in this list, so that when it comes around to my birthday or Christmas, or if this has been on here for a long time, I'll treat myself. So it saves me kind of worrying about what people need to get me for my birthday. And then obviously in the need one is just things I actually need. So outgoings, I haven't yet finished filling these in yet because I have paid this for January. It's basically all my bills, how much it is, when it goes out, and then I'll just colour it in as it goes, just to keep track of everything. Social media tracker, like my followers and such. Simple, everyone's got one of these. This is the when was the last time I whatever, so change my sheets, for example, clean out the freezer. You can put whatever you want in these, but you just put the date of when you last did it, just to keep track of things like that. And then you've got my period tracker, so that's pretty straightforward or whatever. This is the thing I got from Amanda Rachel Lee in her bullet journal. So every month I'm going to put in a Polaroid just to kind of remember things and whatnot. Like this was just a day that I had with my boyfriend, and it was just a really cute day, and so we took a picture at the end. We stayed in all day, hence why I've got absolutely no makeup on and I look hideous, but we stayed in all day and it was just a really nice day, so I put that in there. But the last thing before January is my guinea pig's weight tracker. Again, very straightforward, just weighed them every month just to make sure they're all okay and they're not gaining or losing too much weight. Bruiser is a lot younger than Chopper, hence why there's a massive weight difference. Okay, while we're at it, we're going to flick through January as well. So you got my cover page. I did this exact same cover page in my other journal, so if you watched my other video you would have seen the same setup. You got my monthly overview, you got my habit tracker and mood tracker, and then obviously every week I stuck to the same layout. I can't remember what these are called, but I did that every single week for January. And it takes me up to the end of January, which is what, like the 92nd or something? How long has January been going on for? It's ridiculous. So in this video I'm going to plan out my February month, title page, monthly overview and habit trackers, and then hopefully the first week of February as well. So there you have it, guys. That is February all planned out. My camera did stop recording at some point, so I just kind of left it there and then just started filming my outro, not my intro, my outro. I didn't come up with this design. It's just one I found on Pinterest and I absolutely loved it, so I copied it. I'll pop the link to where I copied it down below. Apologies about the shadows. As I mentioned at the beginning, it's getting dark, so I had to fight with lighting, so apologies for that. One final flip through before we close the video. So obviously you got your title page, my monthly overview, my habit and mood trackers, and then I've got the first week of February here. I might add some little hearts and stuff if I haven't filled up a page or whatever, but that's gonna have to come when I am filling out this week. And yeah, that's everything. If you guys did enjoy the video, please give it a like down below and also subscribe to my channel so you can see more of this sort of content. I really like filming these sorts of videos and I hope you enjoy watching them. Leave a comment down below as to what you think my March theme should be. Obviously that's the next video I'm going to make, so if you let me know what suggestions you have, and hopefully it will make it into my bullet journal. So I think that's everything from me, guys. I hope you have an awesome day and I hopefully will see you next time. Bye!